10 minutes. All you need is 10 minutes to create this beautiful look. For the foundation, I'm going to be using my favorite Huda Beauty. I'm just applying it with my fingers. I'm not going to use a lot. So now for the concealer, I'm using Naked Quickie Concealer. And I'm just blending it out with this puff. I'm using Fenty Beauty Contour Stick in shade Mocha. Like, look at how easily it blends. And for the blush, I'm going to be trying out a new shade that I've never tried from Rare Beauty. And this is in shade Grace. Like, it's a little bit purplish. And I'm also gonna add a little bit in shade True. Just a 1 dot right there. Look at that. I have almost every single shade from Rare Beauty, and this is hands down the best that I've ever tried when it comes to color. And for the powder, I'm gonna use this pressed powder from Jaclyn Cosmetics. This is the pressed version of the loose powder that I use all the time on my under eye. Setting my face with this Fenty powder foundation. Here I'm using Fenty Beauty Brow Pencil in Brow MVP. First, I'm going to create wing eyeliner using Anastasia Beverly Hills Waterproof Cream Color in Z. Now I'm simply bringing it inwards like that. Now I'm just dragging the line towards my crease line halfway like that. Now I'm simply going to mix these two shades and use it right here on my lid. Now I'm just adding 1 size liquid pencil liner to darken the eyeliner. Pink cream gel liner from Colourpop. Adding a mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm gonna add my favorite lashes in Style Simple from Velour. And this is how it looks with the lashes on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips using BFF3 lip liner from Colourpop. Now I'm gonna add this another lip liner from Laura Mercier in shade Baby Lips. Now I'm gonna add this little bit pink from Colourpop in shade Dial Up right here in the center. And that's it for the makeup, you guys. Bye.